friends, welcome back. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple. I'm documenting another week in my 2024 Project Life album. This is week 17 and I'm going to be using Elle Studios April kit. I've already printed my pictures and I'm here quickly arranging them where I think I want them. From this kit, I love the rainbow, the having fun. I don't know why I said hanging, it's having fun, and love this daisy card here and a courage dear heart, that one that's on the top right. So I'm just gonna shuffle through these cards here and see what cards work best with my pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through my week. Top 4x6 picture on the top is a picture of my daughter. She has been taking her driving lessons, and she's got one more lesson before she can actually go to the DMV and take the behind the wheel to get her driver's license. Super excited. And this is the first time she is driving on the second time, because she's officially already done it, but with me it was the first time, so it was a little nerve-wracking. I'm not gonna lie, but she did so great, and so I definitely wanted to document that. I'm also using these die cuts from Elle Studio as well. I love the bright colors and all the little different sayings here. I was undecisive of what to use, either this one that says going on an adventure, or let's go exploring, or this was so awesome, something like that. I can't really see because as I'm doing my voiceover, the screen's a lot smaller and I can't see exactly what's on my screen, but we're going to go ahead and go with that. Decided that I would use that and call that picture good. The next row below that is a picture on the left side. It's a 3x4 picture of my daughter and I. We went to go look for prom dresses. And so luckily we found the dress, and we went out and got some pretzels and cheese and had a pretzel. So that was really nice. Then it was the little rainbow card that I love. And then the next 3x4 picture over is a picture of my son. My son's the one in the middle. And they happen to have a field trip at the school where I work out. They have a little, like a farm there. And so they have like goats and sheep and pigs and stuff like that, and a garden. And so they went and got to see all that. And so I got to, during my break, I went to go out and see him, and he was super excited and gave me a big hug. And so that was really nice. And took a couple of quick pics with him. And then this group picture on the bottom is a picture of his class. So I decided that journaling card there that says having fun was perfect to jot down what was going on. And so yeah, he had lots of fun, and that was really nice that I got a chance to see him. I wasn't able to be a chaperone, but I figured that that'd be the closest thing that I could do. So that was nice. And moving on to the right hand side, here I'm gonna just do a quick little journaling about what I just talked about. On the right hand side, I did end up using this card. It's like a tag, and journaled a little bit about my son's missing tooth. So yeah, he was super excited. This tooth had been bothering him, and he was just so delighted that the tooth fairy left him $5, and he was ready to be done with that. So I journaled a little bit about that. And then on the right of that is another journaling card that says courage dear heart, and that's just to correspond to the picture of my husband below. My husband was actually gone. He was in Utah taking his last schooling for his military career, and it was definitely a hard class that he was supposed to take, so he was struggling a little bit. And so I thought that this would be perfect, because I was just trying to be encouraging of him and to not give up. So you could tell that picture there that he sent me with, he wasn't really happy, but I always tell him, please send me pictures. I know you're not always, in the pictures because he's gone a lot. My husband's in the military and he travels a lot for his job, but I still want him to send me them because I still like to include them, because he is part of our family, and I'm sure his kids would love to see, that as well. So here I'm just using a label. It's also from Elle Studio. And then I jot down a little bit about that. going to the left is a picture, is the stripy card there. I love the different colors, pops of color, and I decided that I'd use that for journaling for my Thursday 3. And then, of course, my selfie. I had a fresh haircut, and I cut 2 inches off my hair. I loved it. I feel like my hair looks healthy again, and I love it. I had a journal on off camera, and so I just went ahead and added that in there. Then the next picture below that is a picture of my daughter and her boyfriend. He actually did a promposal for my daughter, and it was super cute. I ended up using, I didn't end up using this one that says "You are loved," because I ended up having to use most of the card for, I did end up using a QR code. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link here. I did a separate video if you'd like to know how I did the QR code, where you can actually scrapbook a moment that you would like to see. So not only do I have that picture of him with his canvas asking her, but I actually put in the video of him surprising her, and that was so funny and so cute, and I just want to I want to remember that forever. So I do have that video, and I have that QR code, so anybody who looks through my albums can just take a snap of it, and it actually leads you to the video. So it's actually pretty neat. I actually love that I can do that. So again, if you'd like to know how, I'll go ahead and put that in the link on the top right hand corner. Click on it, and I'll show you, I'll have a tutorial on how to do that. And that is pretty much it, guys. This week went by pretty quick. Didn't have a lot going on. Here I do show you how I ended up printing that QR code. And then I just simply cut that out and adhered it to that card there. I do apologize for not uploading sooner. Things have been pretty busy. Now I have to play catch up, because now I have to do week 18 and 19. I believe I do have week 19 cards, weekly cards, but I'm going to go ahead and update those if you want, so that you can use them in your project life or in any other documenting project that you have going. If you do use them, please tag me. I would love to show them on my stories in my Instagram account. And yeah, just please take advantage of them. I know that they're really easy to use, and they come in handy. So anyway, here's my quick flip through. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and a fabulous week, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys!